Hi, DTubers. My name is Pedro, or PRC in Cyberland, and I'm here to share with you my candidacy to be a DTube leader. I started to run my own node, my Avalon nodes. The experience was really smooth. You may not know me, but I've been around for a while in blockchain. I started in Steam. I was a Steam witness for a few years. I also been producing blocks in other blockchains like Hive, EOS, and many others. So I've been around, and my idea of joining DTube team, I was thinking of joining since the beginning. I am an earlier investor in DTube. Mainly as soon as I knew that Time in Danger was launching their own chain, which was even before it was made public. We chatted about Avalon for a long time ago. I was helping testing stuff in the beginning, and I also played around with it in the testnet, but I was too busy to be a leader at that time. So yeah, I am really sorry to have lost the first million blocks, but here I am. Right now, I made some time to set up my node properly and all that. So I think that I can give some reliance to the network. And here I am. So I wanted to share this with you guys, and also starting my own channel here. I want to share some videos. I started also producing some content for DTube and for YouTube, so it makes a lot of sense to join everything. I'll be releasing some online courses for technology related stuff, so I think that it makes a lot of sense to use DTube as well. And also, I'll be always really grateful for DTube and for I'm in Danger in the early 2017. Can you believe it? It was so long ago. DTube was launched in August, I think, around that. And I really was amazed with the connection between these technologies, and I decided to launch DSound. So I am the guy behind DSound, if you don't know me. Yeah, DSound was inspired by DTube, and it was released in September. So I made that thing in a month, like a proof of concept for that. So I'll be eternally grateful for DTube to show me that path, and I am an early supporter of this. So here I am, like a few years after the first launch of this platform. Being a candidate to be a leader in this new Avalon blockchain. I really think that it's a really interesting piece of technology. I'll be diving a little bit deeper on Avalon right now. Because also D-Sound is going through a restructuring, and I don't want to be ahead of myself. I don't want to share stuff that I'll be not ready to share at this moment. But yes, there is some changes going on in D-Sound, and I really want to make D-Sound using its own blockchain as well, and having a different way of monetizing content and using IPFS networks for that. I have all that new stuff designed and partly built, and I am starting to deploy the first things for the network. So yeah, many things will be evolving in this next weeks or months. So yeah, but this video is not about D-Sound. So I am here to help out the DTube network. I am an early investor in this platform. I want it to succeed, and I think it has everything to succeed. And I'll be more active in the platform from now on. I think it will be interesting to share some videos with you guys and so on, and share also my teaching stuff here in DTube. And yeah, expect a bunch more stuff from me from this moment on. And yeah, I just wanted to let you know, guys, that I am a leader candidate, and you can vote for me, and it would be really cool to be part of this network and help building this platform as well. So let's stay tuned, and I'll be sharing some new stuff with you guys. See you around, and keep rocking.